Hi everyone, it's Mom from Sparkly Belly. You know I love making beaded appliques and decorating costumes with them. But every time I want to make appliques, it's challenging to find the right beads or right stones, and I don't know where to look or how many beads to buy, and I end up spending more money than necessary. And it turns out many costumers face the same challenge. So I thought it would be so nice if we could just skip the searching process, just get the package of materials and start making. Well, this year I made this dream of mine come true with these DIY applique kits. And in this video, you'll see what's in these kits and what you can make. And at the end of the video, I have a coupon to give you, so stick around for that. Let's get started. So what's in the DIY applique kit? Here I'm opening up one for the starflower design. Each kit comes in a little package like this, and it has everything you need to make appliques. You get felt to stitch beads onto, and the design is already drawn on it, so you don't have to go look for a marker or a pattern. You can just start making appliques right away. You also get bundles of beads and stones. Each bundle is for making one applique, so this kit includes materials for one large applique and two small appliques, so you get 3 bundles of beads. Each bag is labeled, and in the instruction, which I'll show you in a minute, you can simply match up the letter on the label with the letter in the instruction, so you won't have to guess which beads to use. And most beads come with a little extra, just in case you need some more, or you can make something else with them to match the appliques. And each kit comes with matching color thread and a needle. I'm quite excited about this needle in this cute little case. It's made in Japan and it glides through fabric so smoothly. And the instruction. It has the sewing technique section where you can learn how to sew on beads and stones included for the design, and inside is the step-by-step tutorial on how to make the appliques. Each step comes with pictures, so again, no guessing. Simply follow the instructions to create your own beaded appliques. People who bought the kits say they love them because everything is included in the kit, and instructions are clear and concise, so they're beginner friendly as well. Right now in the shop, there are 5 designs available, and each one comes with 3 color options. And I'm already working on new designs, which I'm planning to share with you in the coming months. Since you get everything in the kit, including a needle and thread, this is perfect if you've always wanted to try making your own appliques but you've been unsure of where to start. Or if you want to get a nice gift for your belly dance teachers or friends, this will make a really nice gift that teaches them new skills and gives them beautiful appliques to wear on their costumes. I'm super excited about these kits because it makes applique making so easy, and you can make beautiful appliques for your costumes. If you're curious about these DIY applique kits, check out the designs and color options at sparklybelly.com/shop and use the coupon code SPARKLY2019 to get 5% off your purchase. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!